So yeah, I bought a secondary boom arm, and today we are checking out the Platinum MCP1. So first of all, let's talk about what comes in the box. In the box we get a mic clip. In the mic clip we get a 3/8 to 5/8 inch adapter, which is made from plastic, strange, a table base, and the boom arm. After the setup, I saw that boom arm is much smaller than I thought, half the size of the Rode PSA1 boom arm. By the way, according to the description, this thing can hold up to 1.2 kg. Well, I don't think that's true. Anyway, the base of this product made from metal, and this thing cost about $20. But now I say, let's jump to the most important thing, usage. I started using this boom arm about a month ago. The only problem I encountered was that you lift up a little, the table holder moves with it. Other than that, was everything fine with it. So I have a question, what is my opinion from this product? I think it's an okay product. Not the best, but not the worst. So I can recommend this product as mid. With that said, I would like to say goodbye for today. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.